Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to take a snapshot in Adobe After Effects. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Adobe After Effects program right here on your PC if you haven't already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here. In the first menu you'll be greeted by is the composition settings, where you can go ahead and get started with creating your composition. So go ahead and select your quality right here, fill out all the info that you need and click OK to get started with your project right here. So guys, let's say you have created a new project or you have opened up a project and you want to take a snapshot of a specific frame. This is how to do it. Basically, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and find the frame in your video. Doesn't matter where it is, just go ahead and open up the frame that you want to snapshot. Once you have selected the frame guys and you have put your time length right here, now all you have to do is just go ahead and click this camera icon right here. As you can see, this is going to enable us to take a snapshot, so click that, and as you can see we have now successfully taken a snapshot. And here you can even go ahead and show the snapshot to see how it looks. You can enter it into your project again, put it wherever you want, and so on. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.